At this point during COVID, parents are likely signed up for more than one online learning program. Maybe you didn't think to research the company before you logged in. Consumer investigator Kristen Byrne reveals why that is an important step.
Front and center on its website, ABCmouse refers to itself as the #1 online learning program for kids ages 2 to 8. The same program has agreed to fork over $10 million to a federal agency after being accused of violating the law.
What's been your experience with ABCmouse?
I like it. He likes it a lot.
Dia Sims of Milwaukee signed up her 4-year-old Andre for ABCmouse so he could get familiar with his letters and numbers. $10 a month for a membership she felt was well worth it.
I wanted him to catch up on K4 stuff since he's been in daycare since he was 2.
The online educational program ABCmouse operates isn't being called into question. Instead, it's how the company billed customers and handled marketing that caught the attention of the Federal Trade Commission.
So the FTC alleges that ABCmouse violated the law by signing people up for memberships without telling them that the memberships would automatically renew. We also allege that they violated the law by making it difficult for consumers to cancel their memberships once they were signed up.
Violations, according to the FTC, that over time cost consumers an estimated $10 million. Todd Casso, the FTC's Midwest region director, alleges ABCmouse itself had received tens of thousands of cancellation and auto-renewal complaints from consumers. A spokesperson for ABCmouse's parent company, Age of Learning, told us in part, quote, "Although the facts do not support the FTC's allegations, we settled this matter to avoid a prolonged legal dispute and agreed to provide $10 million to benefit consumers, and that, quote, the processes at issue were enhanced almost 3 years ago and have been in full compliance with all regulatory requirements." But the I-Team saw in the last 3 years, consumers also filed complaints with the Better Business Bureau. Over summer, one person wrote, "I was wrongfully billed 3 times. Another said, Age of Learning Inc. has continued to charge me $9.95 monthly for the last 3 to 4 years, even after I asked for the account to be canceled in writing. Age of Learning has responded to many of these complaints, saying refunds were given when necessary.
I knew that it was supposed to be a renewal subscription after my trial was finished. I haven't had any issues.
Until we told her Dia Sims had no idea about the allegations against ABCmouse.
So does that, change your opinion at all about the program itself?
It definitely is an eye-opener.
She says she will be watching her membership charges closely, just in case.
That $10 million is going to go back to consumers, so each person would get back money they lost. The FTC says at max it would be about $60 or so. If you believe that you were incorrectly billed by ABCmouse, the FTC says first you need to contact the company and ask for a refund, but also file a complaint with the FTC. Visit ftc.gov/complaint. I'm consumer investigator Kristen Byrne.
All right, Kristen, thank you. I feel like that advice that Kristen shares can really be applied to other situations where if you do have an automatic renewal thing and you're trying to get it canceled, because it can be frustrating sometimes.
Especially with the free trial, too. That's something, too. Like, put in your credit card, free trial, and then after that, it's usually in there in the fine print. But who gets to that, right? Agree.
Right.